Do it again. Ew. That's nasty.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Jake, get my kiss.
It reminds me of the smiley face on AIM when you do the lick part. The lick one, it goes. Look, it goes. You know what I'm talking about?
What's he do?
It's a creepy face. He's like this. He's like.
No. I got the old version.
Yeah, I don't have it either, but someone that I talked to has it, and
mine does it.
Yeah, and the smiley face when they stick the tongue out.
Annie boo boo.
It's supposed to be like that, but it's like animated, so it goes. And his face is like he's like trying to look at his tongue or something, so his face is weird. And he's like.
Jake, get out. Do some of the other faces that are on AIM.
I don't know. That's just a weird one. He's got a psycho face and he's looking. Yeah, that's right. Get your nose.
Make him chase his tail.
Ow.
Annie will do it. He like just falls.
Put some money in his mouth.
Oh yeah. Look at Annie. She puts her butt towards him.
Annie's like, I'm here